Welcome to our van life with our 4 chihuahuas, episode 62. We made it to Usal Beach on our trail run with our friends and get our storyteller overland stuck on the sand. Stay tuned as we maneuver our way out and find a spot to camp for the night. Thank you all for watching.
Yeah, I'm not following you. Hey, can we take the one on the left?
Can you?
You need some shovels? Yeah, for sure.
Everyone got stuck
I know, I was like,
right there. Otherwise, it's cloudy or a little bit foggy. but it's fun. Sean's trying not to get too stuck, but so far it's going okay.
What's up, everybody? So we just made it to Usal Beach, and a bunch of us got stuck. So if you look over there, we have a couple sprinters stuck in the deep sand. I was right behind Pete and Evelyn, and we got stuck at first, but then I gave a little bit more acceleration to the all-wheel drive, and it got us out. And when I backed in here, it's pretty thick sand. Again, we didn't air down that much.
Do you think we'll get stuck overnight though?
I don't think so. There's a nice little tread here that I followed in, but we'll have to see. I don't know if we're gonna camp here tonight or not. So we're chilling out for now, and we'll see if we're gonna stay in this little spot.
We got a nice big dent on our step when we hit that washout earlier. It's actually not bad. I think we can fix it, but that's okay. Adds a little bit of character, but we'll see. Everything else looks fine. I think we had water come out of the van, because we do have a full, wow, our van is really dirty. We have a full water tank, and they said that the water came out of our tank, but oh shoot, look at all that dust. But everything else looks intact right now, so leave it as it is. This van will be due for a very nice wash later on. I think everything else stayed intact. So our friends are stuck in the sand out further at the front, so everyone's gonna help dig them out.
So quick update, everybody. We sustained a little damage to our step, no biggie, but we are headed back up the hill from the beach because there's not really a great area here, but also everybody just got stuck. And it's pretty cool though. There's a guy who just went around, and so they're actually going out on the beach. But we're gonna head back up into the forest and camp there tonight, and we'll show you what it looks like when we get there. Hopefully get some drone footage back on the beach when the fog clears, but as you can see, it's super foggy, so we can't see too much.
We are at Usal Beach, so we did not find a good site right on the beach earlier because there were lots of people and we were getting stuck in the sand. And we found a spot in the forest, or you know, pretty much surrounded by trees, and had a long relaxing, just sitting around. And now we're headed walking to the beach because the fog has burnt off. Yeah.
Driving right over from one beach to the next before the tide comes in. Got some campers. Definitely not easy to get over there. Fog has cleared.